Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening and welcome back to my class. Is this Sato?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Good,
how
good to
are
see you
you?
again.
Yes, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Oh, I'm pretty good as well. I'm
Yeah.
okay. Thank you for asking also. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so are you busy these days?
Yes, I think so. I'm
Oh,
busy
wow.
now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, so how is it going in your job right now?
Actually, the situation is getting better about coronavirus.
Hmm.
So my business getting better right now.
Oh, that's great. That's
So
good.
yeah, and
Hmm.
then I have a project with
Hmm.
Japanese company right now.
Wow,
So yeah, I'm busy.
it's a big project, right?
Yeah, I hope so. I hope
Yeah,
so.
yeah, it's a big project. That's nice. Yeah, well, yeah, during pandemic, if you are
Mhm.
getting like this projects, it's really nice, right?
Yeah, actually, before this project, so
Mm.
I work in sports industry. That's why
Mm-hmm.
all sports event and then
Yeah,
all
that's right.
sports something was
Yes,
postponed,
yes, yes, that's
cancelled,
true, that's true.
suspended. That's why actually during this pandemic, so it is hard for
Mm-hmm.
me about work. Yeah, but so that's why I'm glad to get this project with
Wow,
Japanese company.
congratulations. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it's really difficult for the sports business, right? Nowadays.
yeah.
Yeah,
Nowadays, yeah,
most of the sports
exactly.
are affected.
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah,
You.
actually, in my case, the kind of sport I'm into is not affected because it's like chess, like shogi, right? So we can just do it online. All right. So yeah, I
Mm,
can join. Just this afternoon, I joined a tournament online with my
mm.
friends, although I did not
With
win.
your friend. So
Yeah.
you mean opponent is your friends
You can
by
be
online?
not only my friends. I was
Mm-hmm.
invited by a friend of mine, but actually we are so many. The whole
Wow.
country, yeah, like the whole country.
Wow.
And my friend is the one usually who offer prizes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Wow,
so
wow,
he
wow.
invited me to join, but I didn't win. That's very difficult. Yeah, can, there
Is this a
were masters,
famous? It's
famous.
just famous in Philippines.
Yeah, I can say two, yes, because
Mm-hmm.
it's like there are like 10, maybe 10
Mm-hmm.
million people,
Wow.
yeah, players in the
By
Philippines.
online.
Yeah, in the Phil no, no, just
Mm-hmm.
in the Philippines.
In the
Yeah.
Philippines. Wow. But you mean so during this pandemic, so
Mm.
we can't, they can't, you can't do chess face to face, right?
Yeah, just
Uh,
online. Yeah, but
just online.
yes,
Wow.
but we have a lot of competitions online.
Mm.
Yes.
If
Oh,
you won the chess tournament,
hmm.
you can get money.
Yeah, yeah. There are
Wow.
prizes, yes, there are prizes and certificates.
Mm-hmm.
Before, because before when you go to different places, you can also
Mm-hmm.
get not only money but also
Mm-hmm.
like trophies, medals, something like
Wow.
that. But
Wow.
nowadays, only certificates and money.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Wow,
they can send
wow,
you the
wow,
money.
wow.
Yes.
So you understand chess is sport or not?
Actually, yeah, before it's a big question if it's a
Yeah.
sport or not. But recently, the Olympic Committee
Yeah.
acknowledged it as a sport. Yeah, so it's
Mm,
now included in Olympic. So
mm-hmm,
it's part of the Olympic already, and
mm-hmm,
they said that Olympic Committee said it's a sport because it also
mm-hmm.
requires physical
Yeah.
like performance. Of course, you cannot
Mhm.
play by your mind only, right? You need to use your hands. You need
Yeah.
to use
But
your hands. Mm,
recently, most of the person
mm.
said, uh, how to call that,
Hmm.
uh, video games.
Video games. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Esports,
E, e
esports,
ah,
esports.
so
Yeah,
video game is also a sport.
yeah,
Um,
video games called esports recently. That's
yeah,
why I think chess online game is also sports.
I
Yeah,
agree with that actually
yeah,
because video games now are in competitions as well. They have a lot of
yeah,
tournaments
yeah,
online.
yeah, exactly.
Yes,
And they can get a lot of
they
money.
can get a lot of money.
Yeah,
Also,
and then
um,
actually, real sports, for example,
mhm.
football and basketball,
Mm,
and something like that. So the company
mm,
uh, that they sponsored sports event,
mm.
they don't want to invest such a kind of face-to-face sports.
Really?
I
So
mean,
now
yeah.
it's a good news
So
for chess and
yeah, that's why. So some
esports.
of sponsor company want
Mm.
to invest to esports
Esports,
or
right?
online something.
Right, right.
Because we can't invite
Mm.
spectator to arena to stadium,
Exactly,
but
exactly.
such a kind of chess online game
Hmm.
can show the game to spectator, a lot of spectator by online.
By online,
That's
yes.
yeah, that's why. So most of company
Hmm.
want to invest to digital sports event.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah.
I even noticed that even in US right now and in Europe,
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
the the prices for chess tournaments are increasing. Yeah.
Wow,
Yes,
wow,
it's
wow.
dramatically increasing, and the sponsors are also
Yeah.
increasing as well.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's very
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the pandemic cannot stop
Hmm.
esports. It cannot stop esports, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
In fact, it grows. It grows. It
Yeah, it grows
spread.
increasing. The number of players is increasing, and then
Yeah,
the number of spectator
that's
is
true.
increasing right now.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true. Yes.
yeah,
And so I noticed as well that even the YouTubers
yeah,
now, they
yeah.
are like covering this a lot of chess games and also video games.
Mm,
You know,
how to?
the gamers, they are now
I know
YouTubers.
gamers.
Yeah,
Yeah, YouTuber. I know.
yeah,
I
no
know some
YouTubers
of. Yeah,
and also
they.
chess players.
Yeah, chess player. So I don't know how to call that, but so
Mm,
some of YouTuber live streaming about
yeah, they do that.
chess chess game video. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Exactly, they do that.
yeah.
Yes.
Mm,
And a lot of people are watching, really.
yeah.
Yes, because this is a guy named
Mm-hmm.
his channel is named Agad Mator.
I got the mirror.
Yeah, and he has already like million subscribers for chess. Yeah,
Wow,
yeah,
wow, wow,
yeah.
wow.
He's just like explaining some games of popular
Mm-hmm.
players.
Mm-hmm.
Just explain this is
Mm-hmm.
the
Not
every
playing.
move, every move. He will explain every move.
Wow,
Yes.
he's not playing. Just explain.
Yeah, he's not playing. He's just
Uh,
explaining the moves.
while watching the games.
Yeah, it could be live or
Mm,
not live.
wow,
Sometimes
he's not.
it's already done. The game is already
Wow.
done, and
Yeah, yeah,
he's
yeah.
just explaining the game.
Mm,
Yeah, and he is like earning much because of that
wow.
strategy. Yes. Yeah.
Why does he have such a kind of huge subscriber? It is
Um,
his
ch-
content is fun. funny or
Um,
um,
he is actually like a good trainer or
good
teacher.
trainer?
Yeah, he can explain,
Professional.
yeah, professional. He can explain very
Mm,
well,
mhm,
logically, each move.
mhm,
Yeah, and
mm,
it's very convincing. I mean, you will learn a
mm,
lot from his channel. That's why you learn a lot from his
mm,
channel.
mhm,
Y- And knowing that it's about 700 to 800 million chess players around the world. So it's possible
mm.
that he can get millions of subscribers.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
wow.
You see, the good thing, I mean, the good thing and the difference of chess among other sports is this. For
Mm,
example, baseball.
mhm.
Baseball could have a lot of fans, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Fans,
of course.
but the players of baseball are very few, okay? But
Mm,
with chess,
mhm.
the players,
Both,
both, yes.
both.
And
Wow.
players are so many players, so
Mm,
many players. Not only fans.
that's. I mean, I think that means so everyone have a potential to chess player
Exactly.
became.
Exactly.
Mm,
Because
wow,
it's
wow, wow.
also it's only about analyzation,
Yeah.
like planning, okay, time
Mm-hmm,
management,
mm-hmm,
and what uh, like uh,
mm-hmm,
like offense and defense. You see,
mm-hmm.
it's actually about life. It's about
Mm,
business.
mm.
Business strategies are actually in chess.
Wow. Actually, I'm not familiar with chess. So how long
Hmm.
usually do you have a do you spend the time just one game?
Yes, it's a good question.
Yeah.
Actually, chess is
Mhm.
very flexible.
Oh,
Why
flexible. Why?
flexible? You can have long game, like it
Mm-hmm.
takes 2 hours per
Two
player,
hour.
one
Yeah.
hour per player,
Mm-hmm.
but you can have 30 minutes per player. You can have
Mm-hmm.
15 minutes. You can have
Mm-hmm.
10 minutes. You can have
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes per player. You can have
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, and even 15 seconds. There are players who are doing that. Very, very flexible.
Mm,
Yeah.
oh,
Mm.
flexible.
So,
Mm,
if for example, long game is
yeah,
boring to fans, like
yeah.
it cannot attract viewers, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But now it's very popular in chess, the blitz.
Mm-hmm.
It means like 5 minutes or 3 minutes game. So people can watch with
Mm,
excitement because it's very fast. It's
mm,
very fast. You move very fast. You think
wow, wow.
quickly, quickly, so quickly. Yeah.
Ah,
So it can now attract viewers.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Okay. So you can do it on a live stream. Like
mm-hmm,
you can see they move very fast. And
mm-hmm,
if you are familiar with the moves and strategy, you will enjoy.
mm-hmm.
You will have excitement. Yeah.
Mm,
That's the good thing about chess
wow,
nowadays. Very
wow, wow.
flexible.
Flexible. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good things
Yes.
for player and
Mm.
also for watcher.
Yeah.
For yeah. Mm-hmm,
You know, Armenia and Russia,
mm-hmm,
these two countries,
mm-hmm.
like you can say like 90% of their people
Mm-hmm.
play chess or know chess
In Russia.
in Russia and in Armenia.
Why Russia and Armenia?
You know
Ah,
why? Their school,
ah, I understand because of cold. They cannot go outside because
not only that, their
yeah,
school adopted
yeah.
chess, the school curriculum. They
Oh,
have chess in
school
school.
curriculum.
Yes,
Wow, wow,
because they
wow.
believe that chess can help students or kids to
Mm,
increase, to improve their IQ, to improve their
wow,
mental ability. It increases,
wow.
like, let's say, their analyzation, their
Mm-hmm.
problem solving skills,
Mm,
you know, right?
create a strategies.
Yes, strategize, time
Mm,
management, planning.
wow.
Wow. So they realize that.
Wow.